Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Windows VPS with RDP using Microsoft Remote Desktop step by step clearly. To connect to a Windows VPS with RDP using Microsoft Remote Desktop, start by locating your Remote Desktop application. If you're using Windows, search for Remote Desktop Connection in the Start menu. Open the application once you find it. Next, you will need the IP address or hostname of your Windows VPS. This information can typically be found in your VPS hosting account or in the confirmation email you received. In the Remote Desktop application, enter the IP address or hostname in the designated field. Click on the Show Options button to reveal additional settings. Under the username field, enter the username provided for your VPS. This is often set to administrator or another specified user. If you wish, you can save your settings for future connections by clicking the Save As button. Once you have entered the necessary information, click the Connect button. You may see a warning message about the identity of the remote computer. This is a common security prompt. Click Yes to proceed if you are confident in the connection. Now, a login window should appear prompting you to enter your password. Type in the password associated with your VPS account. Once you have entered the password, click OK. If the credentials are correct, you will be connected to your Windows VPS. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the desktop environment. You are now ready to use your Windows VPS remotely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.